Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 7, page number 64, and some test yourself questions, and the answers are: question number 1, explain how a person becomes fat or obese. If we eat too much or to do not take enough exercise, we become fat or obese. Second question, A part, what is diabetes? Diabetes is a condition where your body does not make enough insulin, and insulin it makes does not work properly. B part, name 2 health problems caused by the diabetes. Heart disease, blindness. Question 3, name 2 diseases of heart attack, angina. Fourth question, explain why someone with asthma find too difficult breathe in cold weather. Because the tubes become narrower and breathing becomes very difficult. Fifth question, explain how obesity can cause arthritis. Excess body weight puts more pressure on the joints, making them inflamed. Question 6, A part, what is good source of vitamin C? Leafy vegetables, citrus fruits. What would happen to you if your diet was lacking vitamin C? A disease called scurvy is caused by the too little vitamin C. Question 7, A part, what is rickets? A disease called rickets affects bones, making them soft so they become bent or twisted. B part, how is rickets caused? Due to the deficiency of vitamin C. How would you know if someone had anemia? A person affected with anemia looks pale and feel weak and tired. Question 9, A part, what is kwashiorkor? A disease caused by the protein deficiency. B part, explain how a person gets kwashiorkor. It occurs only in areas of fame or where the body is in short supply, where the food is in short supply. Now the next topic on page number 64, drugs. Dear students, drugs are substances that change the way of body work and the major effect of these drugs on the nervous system. Some are useful drugs and other are harmful drugs. Useful drugs are very useful for making medicines. For example, painkillers that reduce the pain. For example, aspirin, paracetamol. Tranquilizers and sedatives, they calm people down, but they are only used on the prescription of a doctor because the body can quickly become dependent on tranquilizers. Dear students, anesthesia used to numb parts of the body. For example, during the operation, doctors have to numb the parts of the body, especially dentists use the local anesthesia. Dear students, harmful drugs are very dangerous for the human life. It can cause unpleasant effect on the body. It is easy to become addicted to harmful drugs. May drug addict die. And some harmful drugs are cannabis, cocaine, heroin. Now questions, what are drugs? Answer, drugs are substances that change the way of body work. Second question, explain the difference between painkillers and tranquilizers. Answer, tranquilizers calm people down, for example, sleeping pills. Painkillers reduce the pain, for example, paracetamol. Third question, what are anesthetics used for? Answer, anesthesia are used to numb parts of body. What is a drug addict? A person who is addicted to a drug. Fifth question, describe the harmful effects of illegal drugs on the body. These drugs affect behavior and personality as well as having long-term effects on the brain. Next topic, smoking. Students, smoking kills about 5 million people in the world every year because they contain a very harmful chemical called tobacco. Other harmful chemicals, nicotine. It is very harmful or poison that damages the heart and blood vessels. Second, tar. It sticks to the insides of the lungs when smoke cools. Also affects the walls of alveoli and the lung. Next, carbon monoxide. It is very poisonous gas. It prevents blood carrying oxygen into the body. It also contains ammonia and cyanide that irritates inside of the air passages. Diseases caused by smoking. First disease, that is called cancer, caused by a smoking, and other diseases, emphysema and bronchitis, also caused by the smoking. Now questions, list 4 harmful things found in tobacco smoke. nicotine, tar, carbon monoxide, ammonia. Second question, explain why smokers find it too hard to give up. Because when they stop taking drugs, they suffer very unpleasant symptoms. Third question, explain why smokers often get bronchitis. Answer, the lungs can quickly become infected by bacteria. This causes bronchitis. Answer of question number 3. Fourth question, name 4 other diseases caused by smoking: emphysema, bronchitis. Next topic, keeping fit and healthy. You have to keep fit yourself and healthy by taking good food. So, few simple things that you have to do: cut down fried foods, use vegetables and fruits, eat less red meat, less fatty dairy foods such as butter and cream. Avoid smoking, exercise regularly, relax and avoid stressful situations. Now question, suggest why eating less fried food, red meat and butter and cream will reduce your chance to having a heart attack in later. Answer, because they contain more fat or fatty acid in them and the coronary arteries become blocked by the fatty acid. Question number 2, explain why walking is good for form of exercise. Brisk walking moves more oxygen into the brain and triggers the release of chemicals called endorphins. Last question, explain why it is important to exercise regularly. To be fit and healthy, we have to do exercise regularly. Thank you.